what type of equipment I'm using, and how did I do it na super blurry yung likod, and what is my filming setup, what did I use. So I will be sharing to you how I film my beauty videos, especially sit-down videos on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to share to you another video. A lot of you are asking, hindi naman lahat, but some of you are asking how I film my videos this way. So ito na yon na I'm here in front of my camera and all the setup na nangyayari. This is the output of the video wherein you can see me. I'm in front of my camera, the full setup if I'm going to make a makeup tutorial. So this is it, the bokeh na nakikita nyo. And by the way guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm so sorry it's been a while, but then I'm reading your comments and I'm super happy because you requested this video. And though I'm not really good on tech videos, but I hope that I will give justice, and especially to those people who are making beauty videos and makeup tutorials. I hope this will help. And of course, if you want this bouquet effect and this lighting setup and you like the output of my videos, so I hope that this will help you as well. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. From the start of this video, you will see how I set up everything before ko makukuha itong output na to. So to run it down, basically I'm just filming in a very small area in our house, because if you reviewed on my YouTube channel, I posted that, praise God, we were able to make a tiny house. So this is a very tiny house, and in front of me is our kitchen, sala, and we slept on the attic every night. And meron din kaming retractable bed dito sa side ko. So basically, this is the area where I edit my videos, and I will be showing it to you, all the tea, lahat-lahat na wala nang sikreto-sikreto pa. Kasi I know that maybe, hopefully, makakuha kayo ng a little bit of idea kung paano ko to ginawa ng mga videos. So, i-insert ko dito yung mga example ng mga creative videos na ginawa ko using this setup. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video. I'm a bit skeptical in sharing it to you kasi the space that I'm working with, especially for filming sit-down videos, is super small, as in only one person can film. Hindi pwede yung dalawa. So, some of you are asking what type of equipment I'm using and how did I do it na super blurry yung likod, and what is my filming setup, what did I use. So, here it is. I'm filming right now with my phone because I'm going to show to you kung paano ko isi-set up and everything behind the scenes. So, magta-timelapse ako after nito kasi isi-set up ko pa to, kasi ano to siya guys, super lit ng room na to. Just intended for my filming, and nandun yung lahat ng lights. Ipapakita ko sa inyo and then set up ko muna while manunood kayo, okay? Na siya guys, ito talaga siya, kinu-close ko to kapag wala akong ginagawa, hindi kasi kasya lang lahat mga lights ko doon. So ginagawa ko, lahat ng mga lights ko pinapasok ko siya, and then pag nagpi-film naman ako, ipapalabas ko to. And then two soft boxes, one here and one here, and then one ring light in front, and one light for the backdrop. I usually use the white one, but then parang change ko siya ng blue this year. But then I'm using this before, if you can see it on my videos. And this room is super small. If you're going to by the way guys, this is a cabinet. I'm using a small table before, but I find it hard to maneuver kasi it's a foldable, but it's kind of big. So, I remove it and transfer it to another location. So, ito siya. This one. Ito, super. Ano lang, ganito lang siya ka, ano guys, ito yung width niya. And here, dito ako uupo. Yan. And please don't mind the mat kasi, ano lang to siya. Tira to. Tira ng floor mat doon sa kay lola ko na merong konting tira. So, ginamit ko na lang dito. So, ring light ko sa harap. Pasensya na sa kalat doon sa likod. So, if hindi ako mag-film, this is the area where I edit my videos. So, nandito yung, minsan dito ako mag-live. Kaya, naka-ready yung, itong background na to. Tinupi ko kasi mag-film ako. And, this is where I edit. Nasa gilid lang talaga siya, guys. Parang isang upuan lang siya. And then here sa bandang to ako mag-film. Kasya lang yung, isang upuan. So, for those of you who are asking, this is not the camera that I use. It's the Canon EOS M3. And, nilagyan ko lang siya ng, guys, itong parang silicone na cover kasi nasira na yung mga niya. Ito, nasira na siya. So, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng cover para hindi, matanggal yung lahat ng cover niya. And then, it's a bit old, super old na to, but, nakakapag-film pa naman ako. So, I love this. It's almost mga 7 years na to. So, imagine. Ako lang, minamount ko siya dito, kasi yung, meron itong, stand. And some of you are asking, how did I get those blurry background? And then, ang ganda ng bokeh. So, I use the Canon 50mm lens. And I use the adapter Veltrox. Okay naman siya. But then, I suggest, if you have the budget, use the Canon adapters. But, it works fine for me. Kahit mura yung Veltrox, okay lang naman. And, yeah, ito yung 50mm lens if I'm going to do close-up videos, and then if I'm going to do a more wide captured video, yun ang ginagamit ko, yung kit lens. By the way guys, kasi tinanggal ko yung table dito before para naman maliit na lang yung sa harap ko, kasi yung table ko nga hindi na kasya kasi it's super huge, tapos small space. So, isang malit na mirror lang in front of me, and then dito ko lang nilalagay lahat ng mga gagamitin ko. I-prepare ko na siya para dire-diretso na ako. And by the way guys, I use this Boya microphone, lavalier microphone. Ito siya. Ginagamit ko to siya guys kasi super haba ng cord nito, and kailangan ko siya if gagamit ako ng 50mm lens kasi yung camera ko super layo, super layo talaga para makita yung makuha yung bokeh effect. And then kaya gamit na gamit to siya. But then if I'm going to do a sit down videos without using the 50mm lens, yung ginagamit ko is yung video micro ko. And ready na tayo. Light na. Lights. And lastly, ila-light up natin to. And start na tayong mag-film. Ang kalat muna. So right now, I'm currently filming on my phone. Naglagay lang ako ng konting para pleasing naman tayo sa ating video. So ito yon, pag wide lens lang at hindi 50mm lens, ginagamit ko lang yung phone. And then dito is ang softbox, and doon sa harap ko is ang ring light. And magsha-shift na tayo sa 50mm lens. By the way guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe. And if you learned something in this video, please share it to your friends. Thank you so much, and saranghe. Bye-bye for now. See you soon. Mwah.